Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is September the 18th, 2019. Here to give you all the news according to the charts. And we're going to talk about XRP and the massive move that it has done the last 2 days from our prior video about 3 days ago. Now, before I get into that, I always want to make sure I remind each and every one of you to continue to support the channel. And you can do that by subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and then on top of that, sharing the video as well. Now, I don't want you all to forget to hit that bell that's there in front of you, because we definitely don't want you all to miss out on our price movement forecast for the cryptocurrency space. So now let's talk about it. Last 2 days, a lot of the altcoins have seen a substantial spread in price to the upside. A lot of people caught that off guard. A lot of people weren't expecting it. We are even hearing people saying that this is the new altcoin season. I'm not saying all of that, but yes, the last 2 days of trading has been very positive for some of the altcoins. XRP is one of them. If you guys can remember, the last time we did our video for XRP was on the 15th of September. And I will have that video as an end card because we're the only organization that's being fully transparent with what we state versus what the market actually did. And in that particular video, we did say that pay attention to this 0.258 price level. Okay, right here. And even in our video, we did TP the market at 0.258 when we stated that if the market finds strength at 0.258, that it will move higher. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to show you how much of a profit we made once the market in XRP surpassed our 0.258 price level. And that would have been a profit for us about 0.9%. Okay. Now, if you would have bought in when we stated that 0.258 in XRP was going to be support and that the market was going to continue to see higher prices there, let's see how much you would have accumulated to the upside in price. Okay. So since that time, the market in XRP has increased at a high 26.88%. If you would have watched that video, you could be up right now 26.88% or around that. Right now, you'll be up still 22.64%. So all in all, that's still very profitable. Okay, so again, I will have that video on as an end card to this video, just so you don't have to go back and search where to find it. Okay, so now the question is, what is XRP going to do? Now, undoubtedly, don't get it confused, the last 2 days in XRP is considered a change in tone, and we simply state that because the volume for today and even yesterday is climactic. We haven't seen that much volume at all in XRP since August 13th. And that was when the market was moving to the bottom. Okay. Now, considering that this particular solid black line we got drawn here on our chart, it has served its purpose, because you can tell right here that for multiple days, the market in XRP has held that area for support. So it has served its purpose. So what we're going to do now, we can get rid of it for the time being because it's inactive. It's not serving a purpose right now. So let's get rid of that. And now you can tell here on this previous solid line that this area, I'm gonna bring it up a little higher, is going to be support in the market for XRP. Okay. So now I would say around 30 cents. It's going to be crucial in the market for XRP to hold support. All right. So this is going to be our new active play area in the market for XRP to gauge market strength, market weakness in this coin. All right. So now the question is, where is the market going to go? I have already pinpointed 30 cents has to be maintained as support going forward in order for this past 2 days of trading in order to see higher prices. real quick, looking here at the 4-hour chart, you can still see here that we are seeing some participants of the market trying to keep the price in XRP higher on the 4-hour chart. Looking here at the 3-hour, weakness definitely has came at the top of 32 cents, 32.5 cents. As we continue to dwindle into these time frames, you're seeing more and more indications of weakness. Okay, 2 hours showing us a little bit more weakness, and then once again on the 1-hour chart, you're still getting some indications of some weakness. Now, I'm not a big proponent of making each and every one of you feel excited. We're just simply giving you all the news according to the chart. So when I say I see weakness, I'm not saying that this is going to be a complete dump in the market. Okay, I understand that we're not that type of organization that we're trying to spill a lot of euphoric actions, emotional actions in you. We just simply read the chart, and however it lies, however it goes is where it go. Okay, so like I stated, we're still seeing some indications of the market trying to push this price down, but there's definitely participation in this coin to consider it trying to move higher. That's what we're going to say. But all in all, I'm just seeing that consolidation of trading really occur in the market for XRP. This area right here, around 31 cents, it is being used as a mid support area. Okay, the market hit this as resistance prior, right during this particular time, and it consolidated, and then it broke out of that 31 cents to the upside. We did it right here on this 15-minute bar. We came and touched it, and we're still holding that consolidational range. So the current move, yes, in XRP is higher prices. Don't get it twisted. 32 cents though, it has to overcome breakage to the upside in order to really see another move higher in price. Okay. So as of right now, you see all of this here in the background of this chart. Let me show you real quick. All of this right here literally is going to consolidate XRP going forward. Okay, so expect consolidational trading in the market for XRP. 30 cents is that support area, all the way up there to 34. Like I told you, 31, 32 cents is that mid area of resistance right now. So that's what we're going to play with into the market. I'm not going to see a pivotal price range yet in the market for XRP, but we're just going to hold some trading range, which is going to be between 30 cents and 34 cents. Take a real quick look here at the weekly real quick. When you look at this on a weekly time frame, definitely it kind of shows you that the continual push to the upside is going to continue for the long term. 35 cents is the longer term area of resistance in the market for XRP. Okay, so the expectation is for this market to continue its progressional movement to the upside in the long run, but we have to go through all of this first before the continuation of move higher happens. Okay, so we're going to hold this down for consolidational trading at the moment for XRP. And I'll tell you now that if the market in XRP cannot break above 32 cents in the short term, we will continue to see lower prices. Okay, and actually that's kind of what I'm expecting to see in the market for XRP. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to play this one on a very, very small time frame. So it's probably like just another 1% move into this coin. After that, literally, we're just going to hold some consolidational trading for XRP. Okay, so we're going to play this one out on the, let's do it on the 30-minute. And if you guys see this video late, then most likely the market has already occurred, but we're just going to play this on a very small time frame. Okay, So this is our expectations for XRP. Long term looks pretty good, especially if we conclude the way that we look now. Okay, today's only Wednesday. We have a couple more days to conclude this weekly price bar, so anything can still go. But all in all, your focus area is going to be 30 cents. Okay. So again, this is our expectations into the market for XRP. Definitely would like to hear your thoughts about XRP and where do you think it's going to go. Leave us a comment in the comment section of the video. And in the meantime, make sure y'all maintain profitability, and I will see you all later.